Hi, my name is Mike. I'm with the Brunswick Sewer District. When most people flush their toilet, they don't think about what happens next. Once on a site, it's on a mind. Well, I'm here to tell you what happens after you flush. I'm going to take you on a trip from your flush through the Brunswick Sewer District's wastewater collection system. My friend Jason will then take you through the Brunswick Sewer District's treatment plant and finally out to the Androscoggin River. We're going to show you the wastewater treatment cycle. And so our journey begins. Being mostly on a site, your home's plumbing system remains on a mind until something goes wrong. While plumbing may appear to be a complex maze of pipes, fittings, and valves, your home's plumbing system is actually rather simple and straightforward. Clean potable water enters your home through the main water supply line. The water is metered to determine your household usage and therefore the amount of water that enters the sewer system. An average family of 4 uses approximately 175 gallons of water per day. Wastewater flows by gravity through a series of pipes in your home. Wastewater must first flow through a U-shaped trap that holds standing water and prevents sewer gases from entering your home. By state and local plumbing codes, every fixture must have a drain trap. If not used for a lengthy period of time, these traps may become dry and sewer odors can enter your home. Simply pour a little water down your drain to fill the trap and eliminate these odors. Drain pipes are connected to a vent system that bring fresh air to the drains and prevent suction that could either stop or slow the flow of wastewater. Vent pipes exit your home through one or more roof vents. It's important to ensure that these roof vents do not become clogged. Once wastewater flows through your home's internal plumbing system, it exits your house through what's called a sewer service line. A typical house service is 4 inches in diameter. Much larger service lines exist for office complexes and retail development sites. Service lines generally run perpendicular to the street until the point at which it ties into the main sewer line. Property owners are responsible for the installation, maintenance, and all related costs to the sewer service line. Sewer service lines carry the wastewater to the mainline sewer system, which is beneath the streets we travel every day. There are assorted sizes and types of sewer mains weaving their way throughout Brunswick. The main collection system consists of nearly 1,100 manholes and over 63 miles of pipe that range from 6 to 30 inches in diameter. Most wastewater flows by gravity through the collection system. In areas where the sewer would be too deep and gravity lines are not feasible, pump stations are used to lift the sewage to a higher point in the system, and wastewater continues its gravity flow towards the treatment plant. The district maintains more than 51 pump stations in the Brunswick-Topsham area. Manholes, or sanitary maintenance holes as they are known today, serve many purposes. These structures beneath our streets provide access for cleaning, video inspection, and flow data collection. Force main lines from pump stations flow into manholes where the force main is terminated, and the sewer once again flows by gravity. Manholes are spaced approximately 300 feet apart, or at any place where a sewer line needs to redirect, such as intersections. Usually manholes are concrete or brick. Some manholes in Brunswick are 23 feet deep, and one of them was dug by hand and installed brick by brick more than 100 years ago and is still in use today. Pump stations, also known as lift stations, are used to pump wastewater when gravity flow is not feasible. You will usually see them located at the bottom of hills throughout town. Pump stations often include equipment to reduce the intake of rags and large products that can clog pumps. There are 2 main types of this equipment. The first is a bar rack, which acts like a screen that catches large objects before they can reach the pump. Bar racks must be cleaned manually on a regular basis. The second is a grinder, which does just what it says. It breaks up materials before they can get to the pumps. Although this equipment reduces the amount of harmful products that reach the pumps, they do not remove them all. In fact, with more and more products claiming to be flushable, wipes and rags are becoming quite a problem. Other interesting devices at pump stations include variable frequency drives, known as VFDs, and programmable logic controls, known as PLCs. A PLC is used to monitor flow, well levels, generate alarms, and control pumps. They control pump rates and times to ensure that the flow to the treatment plant is consistent. The PLC, in conjunction with a VFD, starts and stops pumps or adjusts the speed of the pump automatically depending on the rate of incoming flow. These devices greatly reduce the power consumption at pump stations by up to 50%. In most cases, it is more cost-effective to run a pump for 20 hours straight than to have it turn on and off 10 times a day. The Brunswick Sewer District has a couple mainline interceptor pipes. One is a 30-inch diameter gravity line that runs from the Bowdoin College area to the treatment plant. Another, known as the Cook's Corner Interceptor, is a 21-inch diameter gravity line that supplies service to Cook's Corner in the Bath Road areas. This major trunk line collects waste from the edges of West Bath, along Bath Road, the Cook's Corner area, and Brunswick Landing. The interceptor delivers the wastewater directly to the treatment plant. Now that you have seen the collection system process, I will hand you off to my friend Jason, who will take you through the treatment plant.